Sometimes you're sitting at home and you don't know what to cook. Well, today I'm gonna teach you a delectable seafood dish. It is gonna be out of this world. Stay tuned. Hello beautiful people! If you want to discover great recipes around the world or you want to learn expert beautiful cooking tutorials, subscribe now and click on the bell so don't miss anything. Today, I am going to make you a fabulous dish and it's called fette. It's Lebanese, Mediterranean, but I'm going to make it with a twist. So to start with, you need those ingredients. We're going to place the items in 3 categories. First step, we need yogurt, chickpeas, they have to be very soft, garlic, cumin, salt and lemon juice. For the cooking step, we are gonna need prawns, baby squid tentacles, fine chopped coriander, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, fine chopped garlic. As well, we are gonna need dibs al-har, which is a Lebanese chili paste, and katakurico flour. For the final stage of the dish, markook bread, which is a Lebanese bread. It's very known, it's very famous, it's very soft, and pine seeds and pomegranate. And those products are very essential. All right, we gathered all the product. Let's go to the kitchen. I'm 100% sure this dish is gonna be really out of this world. All right, beautiful people, enough talking. Let's go ahead and make this beautiful, gorgeous fette. At first, we're gonna add the salt, then we're gonna add the cumin, then the garlic. We're gonna crush them, all of them, properly. Then we're gonna add the yogurt, we're gonna mix them, and that's the first essential mixture for the fette. Now we're gonna boil the chickpeas and we're gonna heat them a little bit. And if you will learn how to make the chickpeas very soft, you need to check my recipes, how to make hummus. I'm gonna add it in my card. This is all the step that you need to know. For the markook bread, it's very simple. We're gonna slice them finely. We're gonna drizzle a bit of olive oil and then we're gonna bake them until crispy. Now, we're gonna go for the kitchen and finalize the cooking step, all right? We're gonna add the katakurico with the squids and we're gonna mix them properly. By adding the katakurico, it's gonna make it more crispy, all right? We're gonna throw them in the fryer. Now, we're gonna cook them until they are golden brown. That's gonna give them a beautiful crispiness on the top of the fette. Can you imagine this a little bit? We're gonna add the olive oil on a medium heat. Then we're gonna add the finely chopped garlic. Then we're gonna add the prawns, all right? We're gonna mix them all together. Do not overcook the prawns. We want them to be a little bit juicy, all right? Finely chopped coriander. Then we're gonna add the dibs al-har, which is the chili paste, and you can find it in any Lebanese shop. Then we're gonna finalize it with a bit of lemon juice and a pinch of salt on the top, and that's gonna be beautiful, all right? And do not forget, always taste the dish before serving it. And it's very important because some of us like it a bit salty, less salty, and everything depends of you. So let's go for the next step. To assemble the dish, finally, here we are. We're gonna add the bread, then we're gonna add the boiled chickpeas, and don't forget they always should be very soft. Then the yogurt on the top. Oh my god, this dish is gonna be literally unbelievable. Then we're gonna add the prawns. You look how beautiful it's looking when you add the prawns on the top. Oh my god. Then we're gonna add the squid, which is gonna be very crispy. You see how beautiful the dish is looking? Oh my god, that's incredible. Then we're gonna finalize it with the pomegranate seeds on the top. Sometimes we don't realize we can make beautiful dishes at home at very low cost. Do you know that? Can you believe this dish is gonna be literally incredible? Well, the fette is finished, and I have Chef Samer with me, and we're gonna taste the dish, and we're gonna see if it was a good dish or not. Samer, what do you think?
For sure it's good, chef.
For sure? Yalla, taste
sure.
it. Tell me what you think about it.
It's not good.
What?
It's amazing. It's really good, chef.
It's good, huh?
It's excellent. The entire combination, it's work really together and it's give really a very tasty.
Did you like the fried squids on the top?
Yes.
They were good, huh?
Yes.
They gave it a bit of twist. And
It's
by
very
adding
nice.
the katakurico flour, it created a certain crispiness for the dish, and that was essential, right?
Yes.
And as well, by adding the markook bread from the below, it gave it a certain twist. And at the same time, it gave it also as well a crispiness. And the entire combination, the flavor of it, it's spicy, it's tangy, it's crunchy, it have basically everything required for the dish to be there. It's just beautiful, right?
That's true.
And as well, they have to make it at home, right?
Yes,
Because it's very
and
easy.
It's very easy. It's true.
Hey, beautiful people! If you want to see more recipes similar to that, stay tuned, subscribe. We'll see you very soon and have a beautiful day. Right, Samir?
Yes.
Ciao!
Ciao. Bye bye.